My name is Cook Dekins, the business manager for City Xtra. We, as a City Xtra, is a facility management company. We are into cleaning, gardening, painting, anything about building. We are on board. We do fumigation as well. So anything about buildings, City Xtra is in. First, I used to be the accountant, and when I came in, they used to be used on Excel. They were using Excel before they later enrolled into built app. And previously, preparing our financial statement was very hectic, and also especially during our salary time, making payment to our staffs, and we have about a lot of staffs, over 200 staffs. Making payment to them was so hectic for us, using mobile money, other payment platform, bank, and other stuff. So it was so really a challenge for us as a business, and we needed a centralized app which can help us to do all salary payments, prepare our account, and do all that we need to do as an account in our accounting aspect. So basically, it was really a challenge for us, even getting facts to back our document, and currently having a lot of documents on our showcase and stuff was also a hectic. So that was a lot of things that was really eating us up before we not built. So currently with the built up, one interesting thing I like is that as an accountant, it really helps you to do the attachment. So when you go and buy a food, you don't need to keep the receipt there. You just take a shot and attach it onto the platform, and it will be there forever. You don't need to tell about wear and tears, maybe if there's fire and stuff. So all our documents are being saved. All your financial documents, supporting documents, is being stored on the app, and it's also something that I really admire about the app as well. And also with the payment platform, we usually have about 3 ways we make payment. But with both, if you have Momo bank accounts details, we're able to make payment to all of them, and also we're able to send out payslip with just a click. So if you're not using an Android phone, you have the option to also receive a text message, which also help in our industry, because not all our workers use a smartphone that they can use to receive an email for their salary slip. So usually I think it's a very help that is really helping us. So, and also preparing our financial statement and doing our bank reconciliation, just a click to be able to give you the differences, and to be able to tell you where you are showing fault and you rectify it. So both has really helped us and make our payment of salary very easy for us as well. So when it comes to the both, it's also help you out doing your invoicing and also preparing your quotes. With a click, the client can just have an access to it. You don't need to download it and even send, but with just a click, the person will have an access to his invoice to make payment to that. So both really help us, and also you can also make payments for your clients if you're having any suppliers that you want to make payment to. Both app have that features to help you to make payment with ease, and also their charges are very moderate. Especially even our salary aspect is very moderated. First, we used to spend a lot, so with both app, we're able to save more during our payments. Yes, I'll personally recommend both for you. If you want to build your business, build your finances well, you don't need any other thing, but you need both. It's not too expensive. I think it will help you. So I recommend both for you to build your finances well. Thank you.